I lay my life on the line. It's either you come out and now could delete this post, and yes, on Yamin Faminuti and to the trouble. So I hate nonsense. I hate nonsense. Me to me judge me on what maybe I'm a tea. Now my drive it a drink on. Me by your life and poke aside about how Papa is feeling at the moment. If we all respect him and get just everybody should bow his head down in shame. If someone saying you many not attorney. And this is what I stand for, the truth. What is that? Say obi to me kase papa ya me papa. Na me ya de papa ka chem se me nya me ntumi nyai. Come on. Who na di na ko tro saade no. Say nyame na me tro mo na me di confusion ba. And it is bad. Obi a tro ni post. Be who yan so obi a tag me din. Me ko here. Na need stop writing on Ngege's wall. Hey? Say me tro hwe na wo de shamia. Onyame vengeance and visito in broad daylight.
Meda obade ase edema wo a wo hwe me no ekra me mo akwaba sonkon edeba eye fidi kase we so attention TV so de bia me ka chom se memfa bibia enka me mo eba na e political me ba beje mu edi aguho amam eba na konkon sanso so eni me di baba be attention TV so ma be di ni yie sebi edi amamo eba na ye fa ye na sports so so eni me ba be bie e wonzu eja edi amamo eba de nsema ye ntia senso o my Ghana me so de eni me ba be de he edi amamo e wa fidi kase so ene ensembe na e twegu e wo ye social media platform so junior pastor our Rev.Owusu Bempah din sembi ababeto abonti mumienko na mumienko tie junior pastor sem no de ababeto abonti
me if I go to me nya coward. If I have to do anything me yimenim na me dia I don't hide my face. Now if say me a coward and ka dia beto me na to me e ma baby am ko pie me pie. Why do we do this? Adintina yes sir. What could short comment? Oh, this is when a man could phone you as no. And maybe Peter Paradise framing. Or so the book you are then Crawford say. Me come timini. Sabi mwabushia, me the main kwatuso. Usa lady now trust our comment. I don't know if it's a real account or a fake account. But Musa, Mamu church or comment, you know. Mona mudi in some problem be breba. Well, what trust? The word then I'm here. I've been asleep. Me sorry a crunchy. My name. Me grant interview na me say me back covenant seat. Yet, me come in say my mingega a page that has more than 5 administrators. I deal with ban as individuals. My yet they me to me me as a person. I had to drive and be in the traffic for close to 4 hours, me ko papa fie ye freeway in order to bring about peace. Now obia chona dia to make me the number of administrators we have. Who the mimi dia kwako shasiye. Gradually move to Twinkrofo. Look, I am setting the record straight. Take me out, Zap. Nobody can show me where to have Facebook Live at. 1. Point number 2. Me metna Facebook Live any deep papa follower and na papa love a biatem. I have not done that and I will never do that. Adeben biem ne enyam. Adeben biem ani enye. Mr. Berchie. And Kofo frame those days. Yet to be frame say ko papa ho. Ni for be complain command. I don't do that. Me makan wiase we won. So when you access to a henia, I say will be and yes I when him beguase. That is me. And to tell Biano, I am trying hard. Also for my tata involved. Also for Kobe involved. Me to be too carefree free. More than 4 to 5 hours minimum your way. Yeah, Papa, just because of Papa followers or more conquer. Why do we do this? As some we start here, me buy a video be. Me catch you for the year. Now can we say frame? Be some na adding to na we a video no. My video na me hear that day in the What was wrong with it? Me read the comment that it was against my mingege, and I said it emphatically. Writing captions and sharing it. You know what? Hey, most of you, the honest truth, and they say, and it is a shame against all of us. Men I'm concerned about my own so be tagging me under a post say, men I'm now me will be trying to be on the platform. What kind of nonsense is this? Well, Obi Wachia, or who in a different way, but me plasum bio. Ya chimney and tubio. Ya bass sounds and a joke. Ever renting me joy a campage and only ho. Do you know what I've been through? So I count to know oko. Wakako tro obia chobibio. And I lay my life on the line. It's either you come out and now could delete this post, you know, and yes, I on your feminuti and to the trouble. So I hate nonsense. I hate nonsense. Me to be judge me on what maybe I'm a tea. Now my drive it a drink canon. Me by your life and put aside about how Papa is feeling at the moment. If we all respect him and get castle, everybody should bow his head down in shame. If someone saying you many not attorney, and this is what I stand for, the truth. What is that? Say obi to me kase papa ya me papa. Na me ya de papa ka chem se me nya me ntumi nyai. Come on. Who let you now coach us out there no? Say nyame na me chop mo na me the confusion ba. And it is bad. Obi a trying post. Be who yan so obi a tag me din. Me ko here. Na need to stop writing on Ngege's wall. Hey? Say me tro hwe na wo de shamia. Onyame vengeance and visit in broad daylight. Unu obushia. Say my tro so a onyame vengeance and visit me in broad daylight. Damn me be a video. I even read me a hypocrite. And I accept it. For the sake of the peace of the man, you were 22. Of that day, obi biara o shechire e cause confusion. Your life will never be perfected. Once some of the control platform so say the dust is about settling. About saying, and I'm to social media so can say I see victory coming. Na a corner back and one a set confusion between Papa and the young Muslim. Why? A thing. A corner back. So for Bempah, what to be do all Papa and no nana and will be your phone on Triaka, catch any metriaka. Never we hear it on ma, Papa no nana from better social media. The governmental board of Glorious Rev Bempah Ministries. Me church member of Glorious. Papa Owusu Bempah, Papa, with all respect, these people must protect you. Me ma sorry a wedding Bempah Chapel International. Head your Ghana web yeah. Head your Ghana web. I am saying and I know say you will take a legal action. This time around, enough is enough. Utsa waso them praise it if imam. I the respect act to the ding so. Church must papa ni obi a or jin come shade no. Na ya fat ni aka. Oh, aye, and so they are able to do it and do it more.
me sama makwa ba ede ba Attention TV so makra mu dasene yesan be share